start thinking, oh my God, what is this? This is like a job. Why I want to do this job? That moment I will stop it. I promise.
This video is dedicated to the 287 subscribers and the millions who are going to join my pursuit. याद है ना 2 अक्टूबर को क्या हुआ था? पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. There are 2 things I observed just as the movie began. Number 1, its runtime. It was 2 hours and 33 minutes and I was like, okay, it's going to be long. So that means if the movie is good, it's going to be very good. And if it is bad, well, अब अपने ऑडियंस के लिए कुछ तो सहना पड़ेगा ना. Number 2, its tagline, दृश्यम 2 the resumption. तो सबसे पहले resumption का मतलब समझ लेते हैं. Beginning again or continuing after a pause or interruption. Nice. Rightly said, Drishyam 2 is a sequel to the 2013 movie starring the legendary Mohanlal sir. Movie begins with a man running in the night, revealing something critical to the first part. 6 years have passed from the incident and people are still talking who killed the boy Varun. George Kuti owns a theatre now and wants to make a movie. And we get to see a lot of conversation about the script, the actors, the climax. And as a cinephile, I was loving it. But I felt कि मेरी भोली भाली जनता को शायद ये information boring लगे, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगे. We are 20 minutes into the movie and I can already see a remake happening very soon. And I would love to see the same cast to go at it in Hindi. 1 hour into the movie and nothing great has happened. Where is the suspense? Where is the thriller? It is slow in the beginning, but you feel that something is coming. Something epic is going to go down. And boom! The twist comes and I kid you not, I was not ready for it. After the twist, oh my god, the game is on, Watson. No spoilers in my reviews because I know a lot of hard work goes into making these movies. Simply put, mind blown. This movie deserves a worldwide release and this is a theatre wali movie. The audience has missed a fantastic movie. Before moving on to the good stuff, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, drop a like and write in the comment section how did you like the review or how did you like the movie. We are all on the Pursue and let's grow our Abashed Pursue community. Next target is 1000 subscribers. Coming back to the good stuff, performances. Mohanlal sir, aap legend ho and your effortless brilliance in the movie is outstanding. Hats off. Screenplay and direction. Kudos to Jeetu Joseph sir. What a phenomenal movie. Everything made sense. The slow pace, all the various details shown in the beginning made me realize that sometimes you need to trust the director and his vision. And I'm not bragging, but I had predicted the climax. I didn't know how it will happen, but I knew what is going to happen. So we are left with my 3 questions. Number 1, who should watch this movie? If you have 2.5 hours and you want to be thoroughly entertained to the core, watch this movie. If you have seen Drishyam and loved it, watch this movie. The only catch is this movie is in Malayalam and if you cannot handle the English subtitles, then I would suggest to wait for the Hindi version because I'm pretty sure they're going to make it and I want them to make it. Because no matter what I say, many folks will not be able to watch it because of the language barrier or the 1-inch subtitle barrier. So it's better that the theme of Drishyam comes together to recreate the magic of Drishyam 2 so that a great story reaches the masses. Number 2, is it a family film? That is, क्या एक पूरा परिवार एक साथ बैठकर ये मूवी देख सकता है? Absolutely. No cuss words, no obscenity there. The third question, what did I learn from this movie? Our audience is getting impatient. We all want quick entertainment. We are used to 90-minute movies or max 120 minutes. But if you have the right story and if you believe that it's worth it, then just go for it. Our audience is impatient but smart. Smart enough to value quality. Speaking about smart audience, please drop a comment and let me know how did you find the movie. I am done with the review and thank you Sagar for suggesting this movie. Last but not the least, do subscribe to Abashed Pursue. See you guys in the next video. Tab tak, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye-bye.